Okay, German 3. Just want to go over a couple of things. German 3 is be just a really short video, and really just a couple of reminders that there is actually two kind of short practice tests that are posted. They look like assignments in VHL Central, but they're not. They're just part of the review. And I posted something about them on my Cache under the exam announcement. It'll talk about, it's in capital letters, it talks about what I just said. Then there are a couple of other links that I added yesterday. And one is I combined all of our vocab together into one vocab, cards or set, I guess is the right word. And so I'm not going to go through these with you, but just so you can see German 3 vocab for A. And it starts off, it'd probably be better if you shuffle them up a little bit, because if you don't do that, then all the bathroom stuff and all the getting ready stuff, and it'll kind of go through it set by set. But it's probably better if you mix them up a little bit and let them kind of pop up. Reflexive verb, then the word for hair dryer, then the verb for razor, and then the verb for, to relax or something like that. So anyway, there's 76 words. So we had, I think, 3 or 4 sets of vocab. So that's not a whole lot really for a whole section, but that's a good chunk of words. Then I also, let me see here, there I am. All right. This part, which I'm not saying that we neglected, but we didn't spend as much time on, but this will be part of the test as well. And if you can take a look at it in your book, there's actually a couple of pages about this, but I put this doc that we actually posted in class back on the 14th, about a week ago. And here in the middle, this middle column I'm sharing with you, sich ärgern, sich aufregen über. These verbs, if you look in the book, you'll find the meaning: to get angry about, to get worked up about, to remember about something, to look forward to something, be happy about something, to ask about something, and to prepare for something. What these are reflexive verbs that have a definite preposition that go along with them. And in English, I think almost all these, except for remember, would apply in English too. You say I'm angry about something. Germans say ärgern über. We say I'm happy or I'm looking forward to something. Germans say ich freue mich auf. That's the to. So prepositions are kind of nonsensical. They don't always make sense. But all right, so ich vorbereite mich auf das Examen. We say I'm preparing for the exam. This one here I'm kind of circling says wir vorbereiten uns auf das Examen. And I give some examples here of it. So I just didn't want to neglect those. I've shared with you other documents in this chapter. So there's other things you can go over if you look back through things that I've shared with you. I think there's probably at least maybe 2 more documents that I've shared over the last this first few weeks of school. Okay, so that's what we have to work with, and use that as a study guide. So the practice tests go over the vocab and the prepositions that go along with certain verbs. Obviously, you want to know that you want to go over the things in the book about the reflexive pronouns. That's the biggest part of this chapter. And so anything else you see on the practice test, the test will be set up quite a bit like those practice exams as far as the format goes. Obviously, they won't be like drop-down boxes, but there could be some multiple choice or things like that, because it'll be, you know, a written test. Okay, German 3, Group A, I'll see you tomorrow. And then Group B, you'll take this test on Freitag, ja? Okay? Bis morgen oder bis Freitag, ja? Ciao, tschüss, auf Wiedersehen.